Hello, this is Will from Biodroga. I'm really excited to announce that we have launched the Black Forest 2-Phase Concentrate, our brand new hero product in our bioscience line. I am in love with this product. You can see the glow in my skin. There are no filters being used. This product is a 2-phase, which means it comes as a water phase and an oil phase, and you shake that together to activate what's in it. Centella asiatica, moisture binding, like a moisture magnet. It's got panthenol, it's got sunflower seed oil, it's got jojoba seed oil, it's got vitamin E, and our exclusive Black Forest complex, which is fern, elder, and moss. See the moss behind me. Oil phase is 3 main ingredients. The first one is jojoba seed oil. Now, what makes this particular oil very, very good for skin is the skin doesn't register it as anything other than sebum. It is skin sebum identical. This just means that, number one, it's very calming on the skin. The skin loves it, and it acts the same way that sebum would, which is a big benefit. Also, not just because of those, beautiful nourishing effects, but also you have to understand that this allows the penetration of ingredients after the serum, the concentrate is put onto the skin. The second oil is sunflower seed oil. Now, this particular oil is fantastic because it is linoleic acid, okay? And what is linoleic acid essential for? For healthy sebum. So the jojoba seed oil is acting like sebum, and the sunflower seed oil is improving the quality of the sebum. So how does it do this? There are enzymes responsible for converting the sunflower seed oil into linoleic acid. The third ingredient is vitamin E, and we love vitamin E. Vitamin E is a really powerful protecting antioxidant and nourishing ingredient. So that is the oil phase of the concentrate. And this particular blend is very, very light, very, very skin friendly. When you put it onto the skin, it really melts into the skin, but really acts like that barrier. Who's it for? Everyone. Oily skins, dry skins. It is either the serum or the step between the serum and the moisturizer. And why is it really important? There's lots of water in it, so it's really, really hydrating. But think about it like this. There's an ingredient in that water phase. It's a sugar molecule, the isomerate. And what does that do? It binds to dead skin, to skin cells that are dead, okay? Binds that, and then this sugar molecule holds water. It's a moisture magnet. So put your serums on first, put this to lock everything in and bind that moisture, and then your moisturizer over the top. It is a fantastic extra addition into your client's skincare routine. Peter came to me the other day and she said, "How do I sell this?" I said, it's a vitality and moisture booster. Vitality and moisture booster. The skin will glow. This product really is a vitality booster. You would use it after your serum or instead of a serum and underneath your moisturizer. But this, I've not seen an effect like this without it being makeup in a concentrate. Don't miss out. Super, super skin glow, and my absolute new favorite. See you next time. Bye.